Hey everybody, we're out here fishing a new Berkley bait called the Rip Fish. The Rip Fish comes in two different sizes, a 70 and a 90. What's cool about this bait is it's a minnow profile lipless bait. What's really interesting is most lipless baits out there are traditionally a shad style body form, but we wanted to create something unique and new. So we went with kind of a shiner based minnow profile. So when you're up here fishing minnow style fisheries, minnow prey based predominantly, you want to have different body forms that can trigger bite responses. So this minnow profile is something that allows a great replication of a forage base. However, what's really cool, the minnow body profile allows this bait to glide and dart. So it's actually a perfect blend between a Berkley finisher and a Berkley jack. And you can do a lot of different things with this bait to trigger a strike response, whether you're fishing on forward facing sonar or you're not fishing on forward facing sonar.